Bitcoin once again above $34,000 thanks to the excitement based around ETFs, guys. This is absolutely fabulous news, fabulous price action from Bitcoin. As a result, we're seeing many altcoins pump at the moment. So the fear and greed index, just before we do talk about Mina protocol, is sitting at 66. So retailers are starting to FOMO back into the crypto environment, and just look at that for a juicy weekly candle here on Bitcoin. We are seeing these resistances, and we can see, looking at the RSI previously, we got rejected. We're back to the overbought RSI on the weekly time frame here. Logarithmic does suggest we've just popped out the green, which is the undervaluation zone. So let's see what could actually happen here. I'm really curious to see what the correction for Bitcoin might be. Mina protocol today, guys, this has gone really crazy. $0.84. If we look at the last month, this thing was floating around sort of 37, 38, 39 cents. And it's almost flown up to $1 in price here. Some fantastic price action. 0.91 dollars. Nice euphoric top right there. So let's have a look. $837 million market capital. If we look historically at the market cap for this token, it once upon a time was 1.72 billion. So we could effectively see this coin get back to that particular level. I reckon it could happen, of course, in the next bull run. So I am thinking this is a good one to add to my portfolio in general for a bit of diversification. So before we start, guys, remember this is not financial advice, but let's quickly look at what's going on with Mina protocol here. On the 5-minute time frame, we can see a ridiculous pump. This is the 24th of October, from 47 cents all the way up. That's 83%. And literally in the last 48 hours, we're looking at a pump here of over 2x. That's 111%. That is absolutely crazy. So what we can see here is we've been overbought multiple times now. On the relative strength index, we can see that RSI is coming down each time. So I am actually starting to see what you call a bearish divergence. This is where the RSI is coming down whilst the price structure is creating new highs. Effectively, this could tell you that there is potentially a bearish reversal on the way. So try not to FOMO in. I mean, the time to FOMO in was at 40 cents. So do be careful when you see these coins that are becoming very overbought, especially in the daily time frame. You can see, I mean, look, you're sitting at like 95 on the daily RSI, so it could be due a reversal. I'm not saying that this is bearish. I mean, it won't break for $1 at all, but let's just see what could happen. So the previous falling wedge pattern we had right here, the price pumped up to the 1618 Fibonacci. Sometimes I feel like these things are just too good to be true, but this is what works. And if we look at this one here, following a little bit of a corrective phase, the 1618 is going to take us to a $1.04 on the price action side of things. So there is still upside potential, and if Mina does get a breakout here, we could potentially see the inception of something quite nice. We could see a bit of a breakout back up to the 99 cents region, a retest and a pump back through. That would be the overall ideal trajectory, but of course we could still retest 80 cents. And there's still always space for more of a correction with this particular coin. So fabulous breakout. If we move to the weekly time frame here, you can see, well, Mina has got a long way to go in order to get back to its previous all-time high in terms of actual price point. $6.77 would be a good place to start, and anywhere sort of in the range of 41 to 64 cents has been a point of interest for us from all the way back over in the bear market of 2022. So we've been looking at this price region, this range. The golden pocket would have been 35 cents, and we have a fantastic looking weekly candle here. Just be aware that it could potentially reverse, and that's very normal in these markets when things do get overheated. The real resistance here that I'm looking at to see Mina go through is $1.21, and when that does happen, because of the previous rejection here in March 2023 and also February 2023, that is now a key milestone of resistance. So we need to see a breakthrough there. Looking at the daily time frame, it has just been consecutive green candles over the last 6 days straight for Mina protocol, which again makes me think, okay, surely a red candle is potentially on the way. Now the price is pumped so much, the upside potential is minimized and the risk potential is maximized. So of course, remember, this isn't financial advice. If you are traders out there, by the way, I know you like this sort of thing. We deliver over 600 trading signals per month into the Discord channel, stuff like this right here. So I'm just showing you a few examples of some of our top analysts in the Discord, the jacobcrypobury clan. The link is down below. You can find the Patreon down below if you want to unlock these particular trading signals, and some of them do really well actually. So I'm quite happy to see what the community is getting in terms of results. We're seeing some very big and juicy trades, so hopefully we can keep this trajectory and, you know, good positive momentum going moving forward. We're one of the fastest growing crypto communities out there, so do come say hello, join in on the fun. Mina protocol is sitting pretty right now. If we look at their following, 208,000 followers, bringing access to privacy to Web3 with ZK, or zero knowledge technology. Mina protocol is the world's lightest blockchain. It's got a tiny footprint, and yeah, it's a very surprising one. It's very surprising. It's just kilobytes in size. Look, 22 kilobytes. Other blockchains 300 gigabytes. So this is a fixed size. It's one of the smallest. It's absolutely awesome. Really do like the utility behind this one. And if you are using Mina protocol currently, due to the massive volume and the high demand, there are a few network errors and things are a bit slower than usual. So nothing to worry about there on that particular front. But yeah, Bitcoin looking pretty good at the moment. Speaking of Bitcoin and some alternatives, there is a new presale or ICO known as the Bitcoin Minetrix presale that I bought about $2,000 worth of. This is absolutely not financial advice. Always do your own research, guys. So big shout out to Bitcoin Minetrix. If you want to check out their platform, the link is down below. Do your own research, due diligence, and have a look at their white paper whilst you're at it. They are in ICO phase. They just smashed through $2.2 million. One Bitcoin Minetrix token is $0.0112. So fingers crossed we'll see a decent pump for this one once it does launch, hopefully towards the end of this year. What they're doing is tokenizing cloud mining. So it's a very nice bit of software, very cool idea, packed with utility, and they have a $30,000 giveaway at the moment as well. Like I said, guys, if you're new to the channel, get yourself into the Discord. Would love to see you all here. Come hang out with the VIPs or just explore the general chat and just get to know everyone. You know, you're going to learn stuff. We've got live streams, education, much more. Hope to see you there anyway. Thanks for watching this video. Stay crypto safe and try not to hurt yourself too much by FOMOing in. We've still got plenty of time. So, you know, create a strategy and stick to it. See you soon.